Today's recipe you've got to try. Restaurant Style Handi Chicken. Bursting with flavor and absolutely delicious. Let's make this together. I'm using 500 grams of boneless chicken cut in bite-sized pieces. One quick tip, if you want your chicken pieces to be nice and juicy, just cover them up with some water and add a couple of tablespoons of salt and let it soak for 1 or 2 hours before you start to cook. Oh, and do rinse off the pieces thoroughly before you cook it. If not, your curry is going to turn out super salty. Alright, so let's set a handi. I don't have a handi. Let's set a large pan on medium heat and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the seeds start to splutter, we'll add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Sprinkle approximately half a teaspoon of salt so the onions cook faster. We will stir fry the onion for approximately 5 or 6 minutes till it turns light brown in color. That looks good. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger and garlic, and we are going to continue to stir fry for 2 more minutes till the onion turns nice and deep golden brown in color. Like that. Next, we'll add 2 large chopped tomatoes and make sure to take nice and red and juicy tomatoes. Give that a quick stir and then we are going to cover it for approximately 3 to 5 minutes till the tomatoes turn nice and soft. If you're a new viewer, welcome to my channel. Make sure to subscribe because I post exciting recipes every week. Okay, so the tomatoes look nice and soft. Let's crush them a little bit and stir fry for approximately 2 minutes till it glides easily on the surface of the pan, like that. Next, I've taken half a cup of plain unsweetened yogurt that's not too sour, and I'm going to beat it really well and then add it to the tomatoes. Next, we are going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of normal red chilli powder, and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder to give it a nice red color. You can skip the normal red chilli powder if you don't like it too hot. I love it this way. Mix everything well, and we want to let this gravy cook for approximately 5 minutes so that the yogurt completely cooks through. One easy way by which you can say that the gravy is cooked perfectly is when you see that there is some oil that starts to surface on the gravy like that. Can you see that? Now it's time to add in the chicken pieces. Next, we are going to add 3 to 4 slit green chillies and give that a stir. Stir fry the chicken pieces along with the gravy for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Add salt to taste. Remember, if you brine your chicken, it's going to be a little salty, so add salt accordingly. Next, we'll add half a cup of water and we'll place the lid on and let the chicken cook through. Should take approximately 6 or 7 minutes. My kitchen is starting to smell so good. The chicken pieces are soft and have cooked through perfectly. Now what we want to do is cook the gravy to the consistency that you desire. I like to thicken it up a little bit. That's how they serve it in restaurants. Next, add 1 teaspoon of Garam masala and 1 tablespoon of crushed Kasuri methi leaves or fenugreek leaves. The combination of Garam masala and Kasuri methi always makes the gravy taste fabulous. Next, let's check for salt. Add salt if needed, followed by 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. The addition of yogurt already made the gravies nice and smooth, and the addition of the cream is going to take it to the next level. Let's garnish with some coriander leaves and we're done. Your restaurant style Handi chicken is ready to blow your mind. Have this with roti or jeera rice or anything. So that's all for today, my friends. If you enjoyed this recipe, do give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you see what you're missing out. So please do it and don't forget to press that notification bell. If you're on any of these different social media sites, I'll be waiting to say hello. If you prefer written recipes, you can always visit my blog. All the links are in the description. Alright then, bye-bye.